Hello, this is Dihessa Bodjona, and today I am coming to you from Simi Island in Greece, where I have been for the past, I'll say, maybe 4 or 5 days. And I was invited here by my friend, gracefully by my friend Sophia to co-host her retreat for her. It's been an amazing time here. We've had such a beautiful and amazing participants here. And as today is the last day for me here, as I am getting ready to leave the island today, I was doing something that I quite often do. It helps me in my progress and has helped me tremendously in my growth, and I thought I will share that with you. Stay tuned. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about self-evaluation. What does that mean? Quite often in this kind of situations, especially if it's something new that I have just done, or even if it's something that I have done over and over again, but that involves participants, or that involves exploring new things, which when I think about it now, is almost everything in life. Something that I quite often do is just ask myself about 3 questions. The first questions will be, did I do my best? Right? The first question will be, did I do my best? Did I give it my all? Right? And then the second question will be, did my best give any value to people around me? Did my best give any value to people around me? And then the third question will be, what could I have done differently? What could I have done differently? It's really not about self-judgment at all. It's not really about, oh, what did I do right, or what did I do wrong, or all that. It's really about watching and observing ourselves, and really kind of like third-person view, and noticing some of the things that we could have done better for maybe a better experience for ourselves, or maybe for a deeper experience for myself, or a deeper experience for others around me, and so on and so forth. It's just really very simple self-evaluation for me. And I have to admit, for me, like for a long time, I actually avoided doing that at all, because for me, I couldn't do self-evaluation without really judging myself, without that judgmental mind. Oh, you could have done this better. Oh, how dare you? Why did you do this way or this way? But now, really, I feel like, I have observed and I have seen that having the ability to just see things the way that they are, without really judging, without really beating myself up, and doing things differently if they need to be done differently the next time when the opportunity presents itself. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post videos just like this one. Bye.